Morning everyone. Well, we're stopping at Milestone Campsite and this morning it's really sunny. Can't believe it. Yesterday when we arrived it was spitting with rain. It was torrential for a while, then it cleared up about 3 o'clock, so we had a walk out, and then by 6 it stopped again. This morning it's glorious. Tony's gone off on his bike. Yeah, then we're going to have a walk out into the village and then go out for some lunch to the local pub. It's a microbrewery. So we'll see you later.
Don't keep you thirsty.
What are you having then, Tony?
Pint of shine on.
Pint of shine on.
Cheers,
Cheers.
everyone. There's no crisps down there, Arch.
We've come to the microbrewery next door to Milestone Caravan Park, and we've just come to have a drink, haven't we? We aren't having a meal. Moonshine.
Moonshine. Citrus ale.
Citrusy ale. And I've had a traditional J2O. And Archie is ferreting about under the table, putting in a beer I don't know what you call it.
Tap room.
Yeah, beer tap room, which is outside, but it's got all, I suppose the plastic windows, aren't they? That in the summer they can roll up. So it's really warm in here. And it's because it's pretty cold outside, isn't it, today? Yeah, so we're just sitting to have a drink. Just come across this little building. It's really like a bus stop, I would say, but inside there are lots of books. Notice board, lots of books. So I suppose you take a book and leave one behind. It's right by the bus stop.
Here we are.
With my... Oh,
There's Julie and Archie.
yeah, we've just done a little bit of filming around the van.
A good bike ride all around the site and into the village.
Morning, everyone.
Morning, folks.
Hope you're all okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're in the van.
Paw,
Archie's
paw.
putting his paw up to shake us good morning.
What do you want? What do you want, eh? You've had your breakfast.
He wants to be on camera, don't you, Archie?
Central attention.
He's looking the wrong way. Anyway, yeah, it's our going home day today, so we thought we'd just quickly come on and just quickly tell you about the Milestone Campsite. It's very, very nice, isn't it? The way it's set out, it's lovely.
Yeah, lots of little lakes here and there.
Yeah, we're near the main lake of the campsite, but we're overlooking another lake. I don't know if you can see that through the window.
Yeah.
But that's a private lake.
Behind us is the private fishing lake.
Yeah, to see over the fence into it.
Yeah, which isn't part of the campsite.
There's two facilities blocks, isn't there?
Yeah,
what do you think about those, Tony?
One near reception and one virtually opposite us, halfway down the campsite. Yeah, nice and clean. Yeah, probably give them a 7 out of 10.
That's not very good.
Because it's a plunger shower.
Oh, plunger shower. Back on the plungers.
Fine.
Yeah, the pitch we're on, I think these must be fairly new pitches where we are. We're overlooking the little lake, but instead of being at the side of the lake, we're at the, I think we're the bottom end, aren't we? Because we overlook the lodges which are at the top end, and we're in the corner. And it's a massive pitch, isn't it?
Yes.
We've got a really big pitch, a lovely view, as I say, over the lake.
Of the main lake, yes.
Yeah. I mean, you can park whichever way you like, but we thought, oh, we won't park looking at everybody else's vans. We'll park this way.
Yeah.
Really nice pitch. There's a nice walk around the campsite, and it takes you up onto an embankment which is at the back of us that we'll show you in a minute.
Plenty of dog walks.
Yes, and apparently they're building some more pitches at the top end of the site, and they're making another embankment walk up there for dogs. If you walk the other way, there is a gate out of the campsite onto a country lane.
Yeah.
Now you can walk down this lane, I think, for a long way, can't you?
If you turn left, it takes you down to the main road, which
Into the
is
village.
next to the microbrewery.
Yeah.
And if you turn right, it takes you as far as the main railway line.
Yeah. So you know, that's another dog walk. There's a bus outside, well, probably 5 minutes walk from the campsite into Newark. You know, if you wanted a day there and you've not got your car, there's a bus you can catch.
Yeah.
We didn't do that. We live local.
Yeah.
We've been to Newark a few times.
Indeed.
But it's a nice little village. There's not a lot in the village, is there? There's a church, you know, some really nice houses, isn't there? A very pretty village.
Yeah.
And then obviously there is this microbrewery. And now we did go because we wanted to go and have some lunch there, didn't we?
Yeah.
There is a list of things on each day, different vans I think that come.
Yeah.
See a fish and chip van, did we? I was hoping that I could have fish and chips, but usually that's on a Friday, but that wasn't even here on a Friday, was it?
No.
I think Thursdays was like burgers, a burger van. I mean, whether you could get fish and chips on there, I don't know. Anyway, there is a part where you can take dogs in, but then there's another part where you can't. It looks like a little log cabin, doesn't it?
Looks like a private little function. Which,
yeah, but I mean, you can go in it, but not with dogs. It says no dogs allowed. I mean, on the day we arrived, you could see them at work. All the barrels were outside, weren't they? And, you know, obviously there's lots of different beers to try.
I did go on my bike just to explore the area and into the village, so you'll see that. But it's very quiet, very relaxing, and very scenic.
Yeah, it is. It's nice. Really nice.
Yeah.
So we will come back. I mean, I don't know why we've not been here before.
I know.
Seeing that it's only about how many minutes from our house? Half an hour?
Half an hour.
I've heard people say there's a hum off the A1. And okay, yes, you can hear it. You can't hear it. But
Can you hear it?
I can hear it.
Oh.
But it's nothing to stop you wanting to come. It's very, very minuscule.
Yeah. I think it depends also whereabouts on the
Pitch
campsite you are.
Yeah,
in
what
this
pitch
area
you've got.
where we are,
There's nothing.
we're quite a distance from the road itself. Yeah.
Yeah, and we've slept really well. I always sleep well in the van anyway, but Archie slept really well. I mean, usually he gets us up 2 times a night.
Yeah.
And then he's up at about 6:30 because he's sleeping at the side of me.
It's hemmed in, he can't
Well,
move.
he just doesn't move. He just lays there and stays asleep.
Yeah.
So each morning we've not woke up till 8 o'clock, which was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant, wasn't it?
Makes a change.
Yeah. So anyway, we've had a good time. We thought we'd just pop on because this is our first trip away this year, and I was really excited about it. You
And
know,
we picked a good weekend because
Yes.
it's quite mild. I mean, today it's 12 degrees.
and the jet stream has changed.
So we've got southwesterlies, warm southwesterlies.
Yes, so they were saying the west side of the country was going to get more rain than the east side. So by the time it gets to us, you might get it a little bit, but then it passes over. When we arrived on Friday, was it? Friday, yes. It was raining, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And then it stopped and we had a dry spell, didn't we, for quite some time, a few hours. And then it rained again and stopped again about 6, was it? Something like that. And then yesterday it was great. Fine, wasn't it?
Till about 6 o'clock in the evening.
And we had some rain. And then we've woke up again this morning. Look at it. Brilliant sunshine.
Hey, having a chill out. Hey, having a chill out, my boy. Hey, enjoyed your weekend, Archie? Nice time, plenty of walks. You certainly had lots of walks, that's for sure. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. And this is the view we've got. So this is the private fishing lake, which isn't part of the campsite. And if I come round to the back of the van is the campsite fishing lake. I believe if you're a fisherman, you can get yourself a £5 ticket for all day fishing. Okay. So we picked a good weekend.
Nice view, isn't it? Okay, everybody. So we'll see you again
In the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.